How to log out from YouTube in mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you may know, there's no option or feature to log out from the YouTube app in mobile. However, there's a solution that can get the job done, and it goes like this. Go ahead and open up YouTube, and once you do that, you want to click on the profile or channel icon or picture at the top right. And once you are here, click on the channel or profile name, and from this list right here, click on manage accounts. You will get to this page right here in which you want to click on the account or channel that you want to log out from. And once you do that, you will get to this page right here in which you want to click on remove account and click remove account to confirm. And keep in mind that by doing this, you will be removing your account from the mobile device all at the And keep in mind that by doing that, you will be removing your account from your mobile device, meaning that you will not only be removing it from the YouTube app, but you will be removing it from the Play Store, from Google, from all of the other services that uses your Google account, and you might need to add it again or sign with it again to use it. And unfortunately, this is the only way to do so. As of right now, there is no way to log out specifically from the YouTube app, but maybe in the future it will provide us with such feature. But as of right now, removing the account is the only solution that you can do. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove the that's how you can log out and sign out from the YouTube on mobile device. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.